Hello everybody, I am excited to make some art with you today. Today we are making an abstract watercolor canvas art, and in your kits you should have received a canvas, a paintbrush that will be included with watercolors, and some washi tape, which will allow you to section off your canvas. So essentially today we are making shapes, whatever shapes we want, with this tape. And in those shapes is where we are going to paint with our watercolors. This activity should allow you to use a lot of creativity. There's no right way to do it, and I can't wait to see what each one of you guys choose to do. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking my washi tape and I'm laying it down on my canvas and making whatever shapes I feel like. And it doesn't matter what shapes I make, it just matters that I lay down my tape pretty flat so that it keeps the watercolors from going in the places where the tape are. So I'm just making random shapes wherever I want to. There's no rules. I can put tape wherever I feel happy putting it, and I can make whatever shapes I would like. However many I'd like, wherever I'd like to make them. And you guys can do the same. Okay, so I'm happy with the shapes I've made, and now I'm going to start painting. I can paint however I'd like with whatever colors that I want. You will want to fill a cup with some water so that you can wet your colors. And I think I'm going to start with some red. This is just how I'm doing my canvas. You will do your canvas however you feel comfortable, and yours may look nothing like mine, and that's okay. That's wonderful. That's exactly what we want, is for your canvas to just look like your style and what you want to make. So I'm just mixing some colors really however I see fit. There's no rules. I don't have to worry about doing it wrong. And I'm moving from shape to shape. So now I think I'll start with some orange here, and I'll go into some green. And remember, there is no right way. So yours may look very, very different from mine, and that is okay. That is what we want. We want ours to be unique. And we're going to have little blue, green right here. While the colors are still wet, sometimes you can mix them together to get a cool new color. And every shape can be different. Every shape can be the same. It is whatever you want to make it. Whatever colors you see fit. Maybe you want to paint specific things in each shape. Maybe you want to paint a dog or a tree or a cat. You are allowed to paint whatever you want and whatever you think will look pretty on your canvas. And most of all, you just want to make it feel like it's yours, like it's your style, and you feel like it represents you and not what somebody else would make, just what you would make. I'm just continuing to move along here, adding colors where I want to, seeing how they work together, experimenting. There are no rules, so I'm really not worried about messing up. I'm just enjoying myself. I think my favorite colors to paint with are brown and green because it really makes me think of nature, like forests and trees. But your favorite might be blue because you like to think about water, or red because you really like apples, you know? There is no correct favorite. There is just what you like to make. Okay, and now our canvas is mostly complete. We just have to wait for it to dry. And I can't really take the tape off just yet because we want to let it dry first, but I will insert a picture of what it looks like once it's done at the end of this video. And then I would love to see what you guys have created in the comments.